After taking measurements for the implant site, now it's time to make what we call implant simulation, or insert an imaginary implant in order to imagine the treatment plan. So here you can choose a certain implant from any company. Let's say, for example, here we'll take BioHorizon implant, and we choose the implant system. Now here we have the measurement of 9.53 as a diameter and 13.8. So let's see here. So we have here 4.6 millimeter implant diameter and 10.5 millimeter. So I'm gonna choose it here, and then we put the implant, and then we choose the jaw to be implanted, and here we choose the tooth to be restored. So here we can see the implant with the same diameter and same taper and everything. So this is the suitable implant. Let's see if we choose an implant which is longer than the allowed length. So we can here replace the implant, and then we choose, for example, 12 millimeter. So here tracing of the nerve will give us an alarm that this implant will not be suitable. It will cause injury to the nerve. So let's place it here again. So here, this is the implant which is going to be chosen. After that, we can remove the measurements and adjust the implant length here with the dental arch. It's very important to check the implant from 180 degrees perspective. So you go to something what we call here verification. This verification, we go like 180 degrees around the implant to check that the implant is totally covered with bone. So here, when we go like this, so we check the implant that it's still covered, and then we go 180 degrees. And we can see here that the implant is totally covered from each side, and we can check also the relation to the neighboring teeth if we increase the cut thickness here. So now we go again to our default module, which is dental. Here we can see the implant on the 3D image. We can check the implant from three-dimensional aspect. Final step here, we should check the bone density or the bone quality around the implant. So we'll go on the implant that we have inserted and press right click. We choose bone density graph. So here it shows us the bone density outside the implant, which means the bone contacting the implant from outside, and bone density inside the implant stands for the bone which is going to be removed in the future by the drill to place the implant. So this is the whole steps for reading an implant site. Of course, in reality there is more complicated steps by adding the virtual WhatsApp, which is going to be explained in details in the next videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.